Hello. Although the southwest monsoon is continuing to retreat from Pakistan, northwest India, pushing its way south, we have still got some areas of very heavy rain around. First off, there's a cyclonic storm here in the Arabian Sea that's moving close to Oman, but may well head back towards the east as well over the coming week or so. Elsewhere across India and Pakistan, this area of low pressure bringing very heavy rain in the north to the likes of Jammu and Kashmir, across northern Pakistan and up towards Nepal as well. Some heavy snow for the Himalayas here. It is looking a bit drier than it has been over recent days across central and southern parts of India though. Heading into Central Asia now, it is dry and relatively cool across parts of Kazakhstan. A little warmer than it has been though for Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan as well. Then there's all that snow across the far north of Afghanistan, a bit of it into Tajikistan and Kyrgyzstan as well. Some heavy showers for parts of Gujarat, Rajasthan as well, but drier conditions to the south of Mumbai and across the Maldives as well. The weather looking fine here. There'll be a few scattered showers affecting Sri Lanka up towards Andhra Pradesh as well. Heavier rain still sitting across parts of West Bengal and Bangladesh, but not as heavy as the rain we saw over the past few days there. Dhaka still looking pretty wet though. Heavy showers, thunderstorms around. Mumbai though should lose most of the showers, so looking much drier here over the coming week or so. Dry too for Nagpur and some dry conditions by Wednesday in New Delhi. Bye-bye. Hello, let's take a look at the weather across Africa and the Middle East too. And the weather's generally dry and settled for much of North Africa at the moment. A little cooler than average for parts of Libya, but warmer conditions moving in further west across Morocco at the moment. Now through the central belt of Africa, there are some heavy downpours, particularly affecting parts of Ethiopia, Tanzania, but also the DRC, stretching across the Gulf of Guinea here. Not as heavy as we have seen that rain for parts of Nigeria, into Ghana, for instance, as well. Further south, down towards South Africa, a series of weather fronts have been pushing their way gradually eastward, so still fairly unsettled, but as higher pressure builds through the week, it's going to be warming up for the likes of Cape Town, for instance. Still some showers, 18 degrees on Monday, but 28 Celsius by the time we get to Thursday with that sunshine. One or two sharp showers in Dakar later in the week after a window of drier weather there. It stays pretty warm in Marrakesh for the next few days, but turns cooler later in the week with a few sharp showers on the cards for Kinshasa at times. Now across the Middle East, lots of dry, settled weather in general. Temperatures pretty warm for the time of year, looking at the mid to high 30s, perhaps 40s in a few places. There is a cyclonic storm just off the coast of Oman here that's called Shakti. It looks like it will stay out over open waters, but it could bring some big waves around the Gulf of Muscat, for instance. But most of our featured cities are looking pretty dry and quiet over the next 5 days or so. That's it for now. Bye-bye.